DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Look at this bullish market. Come on, it's like 9% up. I mean, I'm looking at it from a daily perspective, and we can see how much we've gone up in the past, like 320% in the last month, which is crazy. That's what I like to see. I mean, I almost kind of, yeah, it was a great demand area and kind of idea that I had later, but like it broke once, so I was like, well, screw that. And since then, we've been going up. You can see I'm still looking forward to taking this thing potentially higher, but always, unless the rules are hit, I'm not gonna buy. Trying to get the rules hit in this type of volatile thing right now, just kind of moving all over the place, definitely can be tough. And I totally get it, but I mean, the game is game, right? I'll definitely just wait for them. Obviously, maybe use a type second instead of the type 2 confirmation other than the first, but I'll still stick with something that's previously refined in 30,000 videos. I wanna hear your thoughts in the comments down below. From my lens, bullish, but if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description.